Imagine waking up tomorrow, feeling lighter, more focused, and completely aligned with your purpose. What if a simple, ancient ritual could help you protect your energy, attract positivity, and finally start living the life you've always dreamed of? This isn't magic or superstition. It's a practice rooted in centuries-old wisdom, blending spirituality, mindfulness, and the principles of Buddhist teachings. Now think about this. What would it mean to take every step with intention, knowing that you're grounded, protected, and ready to welcome abundance into your life? Before we dive in, take a quick moment to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. By doing so, you're opening the door to a world of Buddhist-inspired practices and insights that can transform your life. Don't miss out. Prosperity waits for no one. In this video, we'll reveal the powerful practice of putting salt in your shoes. A ritual so simple, yet so transformative, that it could change the way you approach every single day. Take a moment to affirm your intention. Comment below, "I am ready to protect my energy and attract abundance." This simple statement will set the tone for your journey toward positivity and mindfulness. Stay tuned as we uncover the step-by-step process, the spiritual insights, and the powerful results of this ritual. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the practice, but also feel inspired to make it a part of your daily life. Now write this affirmation in the comment. "I align my steps with purpose and abundance." Saying it out loud would work too. This second affirmation will amplify your connection with the practice, helping you focus your energy on transformation. Let's begin. Salt is much more than a seasoning for your meals. It's a symbol of purification and protection that transcends cultures and centuries. Let's take a closer look at why salt holds such deep spiritual significance. Firstly, salt is known for its ability to cleanse. It's been used for centuries to absorb negative energy and purify spaces. Think about how salt baths are popular even today for relaxation and detoxification. This concept extends to the energy within our homes and even our personal belongings, including shoes. Additionally, salt has grounding properties. In Buddhist philosophy, staying grounded means aligning with the present moment. By placing salt in your shoes, you're not only purifying but also setting an intention to walk mindfully and remain connected to the now. Lastly, salt represents protection. Ancient rituals often involved sprinkling salt around homes or sacred spaces to ward off negativity. By incorporating salt into a daily practice, you create a barrier against harmful energies, ensuring that your steps are taken with clarity and purpose. Now, you might wonder, why shoes? Why not keep salt somewhere else? Here's why. Shoes are the first point of contact between you and the earth. Every step you take carries not just your physical weight, but also your emotional and spiritual energy. By placing salt in your shoes, you create a direct channel for purification and grounding with every stride. Furthermore, shoes symbolize movement. They represent the paths we take in life, both literal and metaphorical. Placing salt in them is a way of ensuring that each step you take is protected, mindful, and purposeful. Finally, shoes often collect energy from the external world. Think about it. Every place you walk, every environment you enter, leaves an energetic imprint. Salt acts as a filter, ensuring that only positive and beneficial energies remain with you. Now that we've explored the why, let's move to the how. Performing this ritual is simple, yet its effects can be profound. Follow these steps to incorporate this practice into your life. First step is choose the right type of salt. Opt for natural sea salt or Himalayan pink salt. These salts are unrefined and retain their natural energetic properties, unlike processed table salt. Second step is cleanse your shoes beforehand. Make sure your shoes are physically clean. This step symbolizes starting fresh and removes any lingering physical or energetic residue. Third step is place a small pinch of salt in each shoe. You don't need a lot, just enough to sit comfortably in the sole area without feeling intrusive. Fourth step is perform this ritual in a calm environment. Set the stage with a peaceful atmosphere. Light a candle or play soft music to enhance your focus and intention. Fifth step is recite an affirmation. As you place the salt, say something like, "With every step I take, I cleanse my path and attract positivity." This reinforces your intention and aligns your energy with the ritual. Sixth step is wear your shoes mindfully. As you go about your day, remember the ritual you performed. Walk with purpose, knowing that each step is protected and guided by positive energy. So what happens when you embrace this practice versus neglecting it? Let's explore both sides. When you follow this ritual, you feel lighter and more focused. Each step becomes intentional, reducing mental clutter and aligning you with your goals. Negative energies are filtered out. This creates a shield, helping you avoid unnecessary conflicts and distractions. Walking with salt in your shoes anchors you to the present moment. It's like carrying a small piece of the earth's calming energy with you wherever you go. You attract positivity. Your newfound clarity and energy draw in opportunities, enhancing both your personal and professional life. Now let's consider the flip side. What happens if you ignore this practice? Without regular cleansing, negative energies can build up, leaving you feeling drained, anxious, or even stuck in toxic patterns. Without grounding rituals, your energy may scatter, making it harder to stay present or achieve your goals. When negativity clouds your energy, it can block your ability to recognize or attract positive opportunities. Think of it like cleaning your home. Neglecting it leads to clutter and chaos, while regular maintenance creates a peaceful, inviting space. The same principle applies to your energy and mindset. In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly bombarded by stress, distractions, and negativity. Imagine starting your day with this simple ritual. Instead of rushing out the door with scattered thoughts, you take a moment to ground yourself, set your intention, and walk out with a sense of purpose. It's not just about spiritual cleansing. It's about creating a habit that brings clarity and balance to your chaotic routine. Many people who adopt this practice report feeling lighter, more confident, and better equipped to handle life's challenges. In Buddhist teachings, walking isn't just a physical act. It's a journey of mindfulness and purpose. Each step carries energy, intention, and the potential for transformation. When you add salt to your shoes, you're elevating this everyday act into a spiritual practice. You're not just walking, you're walking with awareness, clearing negativity with every step, and paving your way to a brighter future. Over time, this simple ritual can lead to profound changes in your life. Stronger relationships. Your positive energy will naturally attract healthier connections. Greater abundance. When you're free from negativity, your path becomes clearer, allowing prosperity and opportunities to flow. Inner peace. Regular cleansing creates space for clarity, balance, and joy in your life. The beauty of this ritual lies in its simplicity. It doesn't require expensive tools or hours of time, just a mindful moment and a pinch of salt. Sometimes the smallest changes bring the most profound transformations. Putting salt in your shoes is more than just a quirky ritual. It's a practice of mindfulness, intention, and self-care. If you've been searching for a way to cleanse negativity, ground yourself, and invite positivity into your life, why not give this a try? Let us know in the comments. Will you be trying this ritual? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Buddhist wisdom that inspires and transforms. Thank you for watching, and remember, every step you take can be a step toward the life you've always desired. Closing. Quote, "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Make yours one of purpose and positivity."